Guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun fall floral DIY. So I'm going to be using some of the new fall greenery. They have these in all different colors this year. This is kind of like a honey yellow color, and I think that looks really cute. What I'm going to do is take a Dollar Tree glass bottle and some of their brown rope, and we're just going to cover the entire bottle with rope to make a rope vase for this DIY. Now, since it does have to kind of stay in place vertically, I hot glue like half the bottle at a time, and then just put the rope on there. Now, it is going to take more than one package of the rope to be able to cover this entire thing, but that's okay. You can always start and stop on it. So I'll show you how far one package of rope goes. It never goes as far as you think it's going to when you wrap a project like this. But I think that the rope provides a really great texture for fall and really goes with like the neutral fall colors that I really enjoy. So I just started right where I stopped by gluing the two ends together, and I'll just make that the back of the vase. You won't be able to see that. And I just keep wrapping it around and around. Now you especially have to hot glue when you get up here towards the top of the bottle. This is a glass bottle that the Dollar Tree had that had like a light in the top that I used for something else. But you know what? You could use this for just about anything, even if you had like a glass bottle, like for soda or something like that. Once I get it all wrapped, we're going to go in and burn off all the fuzzies. It's going to clean it up and make the rope look a lot nicer. It is a little skinny on the top, but I think it's going to be wide enough for these fall florals. I thought one of these leather tags from the Dollar Tree would be really cute. So I picked out the pumpkin one that says Harvest, and I'm actually just going to string that around the vase. I just tied it off a little bit shorter so it would go exactly where I want it to go. And then I'm going to also kind of hot glue that down to the rope so it kind of takes on the rounded shape of the bottle and looks really nice. So I'm loving the way that looks. So let's go ahead and fill it up with some of these fall florals. 3 is kind of a lot for a skinny bottle like this, but I want it to be nice and full. So I just leave them attached and simply put them all in the vase. And I'll show you here exactly how this turned out. I love it. I think it's really pretty for fall. If you would like more Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.